Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Gap jewelry is probably one of the most unique and eye-catching ways to express your personal style, transforming a natural feature into a bold fashion statement that's sure to turn heads and spark conversations. This innovative trend allows individuals to adorn the space between their teeth with dazzling pieces, offering a subtle yet striking enhancement that can elevate any look, from casual to glamorous, making it a truly personalized form of adornment. Number 5. G.CATACC 6-in-1 Dental Hygiene Kit. Achieve a dentist clean feeling right in your own home. Our professional tools help you easily remove stubborn plaque, tartar, and stains from your teeth. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a mouth mirror, tweezers, and various scrapers and picks. They are designed to reach even the most difficult spots. Crafted from high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel, these tools are built for durability and strength. You can rely on them for years of effective use. The non-slip handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for precise control. They are safely stored in a compact case for easy organization and travel. Perfect for beginners, adults, and even pet owners, this kit comes with simple instructions. Just sterilize and start enjoying cleaner teeth and fresher breath. What we like? Achieve professional-level dental cleaning at home with this comprehensive 6-in-1 kit. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and effective plaque removal. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to maintain excellent oral hygiene between dental visits, this set is an ideal choice for its thoroughness and build quality. What people say. The picks are well constructed, featuring sharp and precise tips. The tweezers are surprisingly effective, and each tool has a substantial weight that suggests a high standard of manufacturing and durability. The tools are very sturdy with a nice weight and thickness to them. Versatile enough for oral hygiene or hobby work projects. The tools feel comfort in hand and have a gnarled grip to reduce slip and help maintain a good grip in wet, oily environments. The tools are sharp, but tips are covered with rubber tubes for protection. Number 4. Auraglow Teeth Whitening Kit. Unlock a visibly brighter smile in just 7 days. Our advanced formula is designed for rapid, effective results. Experience professional-level teeth whitening from the comfort of your home. Achieve up to 10 shades whiter teeth with ease. The included LED accelerator light enhances the whitening process. It works with the gel to deliver faster and more potent results. Our 35% carbamide peroxide gel is powerful enough to tackle stains but gentle on your enamel. You can achieve a dazzling smile without sensitivity. With over 20 whitening treatments included, you can maintain your radiant smile for longer. Enjoy the confidence of a brighter, whiter appearance. What we like? Experience a dramatic smile transformation with this advanced whitening kit. It uses a professional-grade gel and an LED accelerator to deliver results of up to 10 shades brighter in just 7 days. If you desire a visibly whiter smile quickly and effectively, this kit is perfect for achieving that dazzling, confident look. What people say. The LED light helps boost the gel's effectiveness, and the process is quick and convenient, great for anyone looking for results at home. After just a few uses, I noticed my teeth looked whiter and brighter. Noticeably whiter teeth in as little as 30 minutes. Many users report visible results after just one use, with up to 10 shades whiter over a week when used 30 minutes daily. Number 3. PROSTEEL Figaro Bracelet. Introducing the classic Figaro bracelet, a timeless piece designed for both men and women. Its iconic pattern adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this bracelet offers exceptional durability and a lustrous finish. It's built to last and maintain its shine for years to come. Available in versatile gold, black, and classic steel finishes, you can choose the perfect look to match your style. It also comes in various lengths and widths to ensure a comfortable fit. Designed with your comfort in mind, this jewelry is hypoallergenic, making it suitable for sensitive skin. You can wear it all day without any irritation. Each bracelet comes elegantly packaged in a box, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. Surprise your loved ones with this stylish and thoughtful present. What we like? Elevate your style with this timeless Figaro bracelet, available in various finishes to match any look. Crafted from hypoallergenic stainless steel, it offers both durability and comfort for everyday wear. If you appreciate classic, versatile jewelry that makes a subtle yet sophisticated statement, this bracelet is a fantastic addition to your collection. What people say. Thickness and weight is good, very pretty and shines good. It is still shiny, still awesome. Definitely worth every penny. Great, as advertised and well made. Number 2. WBRWP 316L Stainless Steel Hinged Nose Rings Hoop. Crafted from high-grade 316L stainless steel, this piece offers durability and a sleek finish. It's designed for comfort and long-lasting wear. This versatile ring is perfect for various piercings, including your nose, lip, cartilage, and rook. Express your style with confidence. Choose from stunning zircon or opal inlays to add a touch of sparkle. These beautiful stones enhance its elegant appeal. Available in 14G, 16G, 18G, and 20G gauges, and diameters of 8mm or 10mm, find the perfect fit for your unique piercing. Featuring a convenient hinged clicker closure, inserting and removing it is a breeze. Enjoy secure and comfortable wear all day long. The segment clicker design ensures a smooth, seamless look once inserted. It provides a clean and modern aesthetic for your body jewelry. What we like. Add a touch of personal flair with these versatile piercing rings, featuring a convenient hinged clicker design for easy wear. Available in various gauges and adorned with decorative stones, they offer a secure and stylish way to accessorize. If you're looking to customize your look with high-quality, easy-to-use body jewelry, these segment rings are an excellent option. What people say. The material doesn't irritate my sensitive skin and it's just as light as a single hoop. A lot of the stones on these types break, but this one hasn't. Definitely a great price for a good quality piece of jewelry. The blue is very vibrant and the white is just white. They stay in great all the time and are easy in and back out again, which were the two biggest factors for me. Number 1. U7 Dental Tooth Necklace. Introducing a charming necklace designed for dental professionals and enthusiasts. This piece beautifully captures the essence of dental care with its unique charm. Crafted with durable stainless steel and plated with 18K gold, this necklace is made to last. Enjoy its elegant shine and comfortable wear. Its mini cute teeth pendant offers a subtle yet stylish way to express your passion. Perfect for everyday wear or as a thoughtful gift. The necklace features a classic Rollo chain, adding a touch of sophistication. It complements the pendant perfectly, creating a balanced and attractive look. Looking for a special gift for a dentist, nurse, or dental student? This necklace is a unique and meaningful present they're sure to cherish. What we like. Showcase your passion for dentistry or nursing with this charming and elegant tooth pendant necklace. Featuring a delicate design with 18K gold plating and an adjustable chain, it's a subtle yet meaningful accessory. If you're seeking a unique piece of jewelry that reflects your profession or interests with a touch of sophistication, this necklace is a perfect choice. What people say. The workmanship is very nice. The charm is of a good weight. Came in great condition and a nice silver. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but it's super sturdy. It makes for a very nice accessory. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.